Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to track your sales pipeline? In this video, I'll show you how to create and manage deals in EngageBay's free plan to close more sales. First, go to the Sales module and click Deals. Then, click the Add Deal button. Give your deal a name, like Acme Core, Website Redesign. Select the associated contact or company from your See Now. Assign the deal to a pipeline and a stage. The free plan comes with a default sales pipeline with stages like qualification, proposal, and closed won. Choose the correct stage to reflect where the deal stands. Set the deal value, expected close date, and add any important notes. Once the deal is created, you can manage it from the Deals board. This is a Kanban-style view where you can drag and drop deals between stages as they progress. Click on any deal to open its details. Here, you can add tasks, log calls, or emails, and update the deal value or close date. Use the activity timeline to see every interaction related to the deal in one place. And that's it. You now have a visual, organized sales pipeline to track every opportunity from first contact to closed deal. If you create your first deal, let me know what you're selling in the comments. See you in the next one.